High-performance teams are built on the foundation of collaboration, trust, communication, kind of a self-regulating work team where management is perceived as more of a coach and a mentor, an outside resource, instead of in the traditional model of control and demand where everything runs through management, no decisions are made unless there's been a stamp of approval put on it, and that management knows best, and we don't expect you to think for yourself, we expect you to do what we tell you to do, and if it's outside of the scope of being told what to do, you have to come get approval.